Night Owl, America's #1 wired video security brand, introduces our new cutting-edge technology from the Flex Protect ecosystem. Upgrade to Night Owl's new two-way audio DVR and camera system using your existing DVR cabling. Older DVR and camera models can capture video but fail to deliver two-way listen and talk communication, frustrating many users who find themselves helpless at inopportune moments when live video is just not enough. Introducing the first of its kind, Night Owl two-way audio DVR system. Do you own a DVR system and want to upgrade with two-way audio? Swap out the DVR and cameras using your current DVR cabling. Don't have cabling previously installed? No problem. Simply use the cables provided. To set up the system without the hassle or cost of running new cables, connect the two-way audio DVR and cameras to your existing BNC cabling, and you are good to go. With an easygoing setup and convenient two-way communication via our free mobile app, you will have your new DVR and camera system up and running in no time.
Hi, can you drop that off by the garage instead?
Not a problem.
Thank you.
And never feel disconnected again.